Be kind. Be kind in the simplest and most obvious ways that everyone else overlooks. Hold the door. Check in on someone. Remind them they're still here. You don't have to change the world for someone. Just remind them it's worth being in it. Sometimes all someone needs is a moment to feel seen and heard, to know that they are important and worth something. A message, a kind word, and a little patience can go a long way. For someone who is quietly struggling, you never know who's going through a hard time, but that's the point. Show kindness, not because someone is expecting it from you. Show kindness to any and everyone, just because they might need it.